And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Magog community. I'm so excited to announce that starting today, we're going to kick off our Peace Week event. That's right. On Monday, it is Hay Day. Everyone's going to receive a name card that's going to say your name, and we're going to get to know all the people around campus. On Tuesday, we are going to celebrate something called No One Plays Alone Day. We're going to ask all of our students to find a new friend and to practice peace and hopefully make a new buddy. Speaking of buddies, on Wednesday, it's Buddy Day. All of our classrooms from upper grade are going to pair up with our classrooms from the lower grades so that everyone has a fantastic mentor that they can lean on. On Thursday, we have No One Eats Alone Day. We're going to ask our students to pair up with someone that you don't typically eat with and have a fantastic meal together. What a wonderful way to spend a Thursday. Lastly, Friday is Empathy Day. That's going to be a day where we're going to practice our Come Walk in Our Shoes events and really have fun experiencing what it's like to be a neurodiverse individual. I'm super pumped about Peace Week, and I hope you are too. Thanks so much, Magog, and let's check out some other things going on this week.
Hi, my name is Chloe.
And I'm Maddie.
And we are the 10 and under water polo
Junior Olympic champions.
I asked Maddie and Chloe to share their thoughts about their big win.
Water polo is a tough sport that you have to be prepared for. Luckily, me and my team were prepared and we got a win.
Congratulations to Maddie and Chloe for doing whatever it takes to win the Junior Olympics 10 and under girls water polo championship. I know you worked really hard and had to do a lot to make sure that you were ready for that big game. Way to go. As soon as I stepped foot on the Magog campus, I came to realize that creativity is a big deal here. And that's why I want to challenge you to participate in this year's PTA Reflections. The theme this year is Show Your Voice. So if you have some ideas or thoughts about showing your voice and you want to put that into either a choreographed dance routine, a film, some literature, music, visual arts, or even photography, well, this is a competition for you. Make sure you connect with your teacher and also pick up the flyer in the main office if you're interested in showing your voice. There you have it, Magog. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!